Dear students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about addition of integers. In the previous video, we have learnt about what exactly integers are, and in this video, we are going to learn how to add them. Now, let's start. So, first of all, there are three rules of addition of integers, and those rules are: a positive number plus a positive number gives you a positive number. A negative number plus a negative number gives you a negative number, and a positive number plus a negative number can be positive and can be negative. Confused? Now, so let's clear your confusion one by one. We will start with the rule number one, that is a positive integer plus a positive integer gives you a positive integer. So this is the rule number one. Now, suppose we have these balls, these blue balls, okay, and we want to add two numbers which are positive in nature. Like we want to add 3 plus 5, okay, and now we have these balls. These are blue colored balls and they denote positive number. So what I do, I make three balls, positive balls. Along with that, I will make five positive balls, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And if we add them together, what we get? We get 8 positive balls. It's so simple. We all have done this in our childhood. We will get 8 positive balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As simple as that. There is nothing great in it. Now, next rule, that is the rule number 2. Rule number 2 states that a negative number plus a negative number gives us a negative number. So let's see. Suppose we have two negative numbers. Same numbers 3 and 5, but they are negative. So let's try to add them. So we have two negative numbers, that is -3 and -5, and we want to add them together. So what we will do? We will add them together, -3 plus -5. Let's learn how to add them. So now, for negative numbers, let's take negative balls. These red balls are negative balls. So we will take 3 negative balls, and with it we will add 5 negative balls. So we will get how many? We will get 8 negative balls. If we add them together, we will get 8 negative balls. And let's draw it together. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, it means -3, if we add it with -5, we get 8 balls, but their nature is negative. So we will get 8 negative balls. Same as the previous one. In the previous rule, we were adding 3 positive balls with 5 positive balls and we were getting 8 positive balls. In this, we are adding 3 negative balls with another 5 negative balls and we will get 8 negative balls. Now, the rule number 3, which is the most important, and then it's very new for you. A positive number plus a negative number. Let's try to do this. So it can either be positive, it can either be negative. Let's take two numbers. Let's take same numbers. We want to add -3, a negative number, plus a positive number 5. Let's see how to do this. So first number is -3 plus 5. -3 means it is a negative number and we will take 3 negative balls. So let's take 3 negative balls. Now we have to add another 5 balls, but those balls are positive. So we will add 5 positive balls to it. Now children, you must be knowing that positive and negatives are opposite to it. So these positive balls, 3 negative balls and 3 positive balls will cancel each other out. So 3 balls and 3 balls will be gone. Why gone? They will cancel each other out because they are just opposite to each other. So now what we are left with? We will be left with just 2 and positive balls. So we will be left with what? 2 positive balls. So here we can say that -3 plus 5, that is a negative number, plus a positive number, gives us a positive number. Now let's say we want to add another number, again 3 and 5, but this time 3 is positive and 5 is negative. So let's check. Plus 3 plus minus 5. We want to add 3 positive balls with 5 negative balls. What we will get? So now these are 3 positive balls, 1, 2 and 3, and we are adding 5 negative balls, that means 5 red balls. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then these 3 balls and these 3 balls will get cancelled out because they are opposite to each other. Then we will be left with 2 balls, but these 2 balls are negative. That means we are left with -2. So that means +3 plus -5 will give you -2. See here, look carefully. Here in the first option and the second example, in the look carefully, in the first example and the second example, the number is same but the sign is changed. So every time if we get large numbers, we are not going to draw the balls like these. So how exactly we are going to solve these questions? Let's learn again. So the first thing is positive number plus a positive number gives you a positive number. How to do that? Simply add them together. 3 plus 5. This is rule number 1. Don't get confused. This is rule number 1. So 3 plus 5, if we want to add two positive numbers, simply add them together. So it is 3 plus 5, that is 8. Now, if we want to add two negative numbers, simply add them together with a negative sign. -3 plus -5. 3 plus 5 will give you 8, but with a negative sign. Okay? But here in this rule, what we do, we are adding, but actually we are subtracting. So look here. What we are doing, we actually subtract 3 from 5, that is the smaller number from the greater number. -3 plus 5 means we are subtracting the smaller number, that is 3, from 5. It is 5 minus 3, so that is 2. Okay, and we will put the sign of that number which has got greater sign, which is greater. That means we will put the sign of 5 which is positive. So we put a positive sign here. Now +3 plus -5. Again we will do the same thing. We will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That means we will subtract 3 from 5 without considering the sign. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2. And now what sign we will put? We will put a negative sign because here the 5 is greater number and it is having a negative sign, so we will put a negative sign. Okay, still if you have any confusion, we can do one thing. We can practice many problems, as many problems as you want. So let's do this, and after doing this, I don't think you will still have any problem. So what we will do, we will use the rule number 1 to add these numbers. So these are addition of integers, a positive number being added to a positive number. So 25 plus 34. 25 plus 34 is 5 plus 4 is 9 and 2 plus 3 is 5. As simple as that. We will just simply add them with a positive sign. Now 7 plus 8. So 15, 5, 1 carry over, and 6 plus 1 is 7, and again 1 is 8. 85. Now this 9 plus 2 will give us 11. 1 carry, then 4 will become 5 and plus 5 will give us 10. As simple as that. 7. Now next question, 83 plus 27. 3 plus 7 will give us 10. So 0, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 10, 11. Next, 16 plus 39. So 9 plus 6 is 15. So we'll write 5 here. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 is 4 and plus 1 is 5. Now, next number is 72 plus 45. Let's see that. 2 plus 5 is 7. Now, 4 plus 7 is how much? It's 11. Now, next number is 58 plus 21. 8 plus 1 is 9 and 5 plus 2 is 7. As simple as that. 91 plus 14. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and 9 plus 1 is 10. 36 plus 63. So 6 plus 3 is 9 and again 3 plus 6 is 9. 99. 7 and 8 together, that means 47 plus 28 will give us 7 plus 8 is 15. So 5, 1 carry, and now this 4 will become 5 and plus 2 will give us 7, 75. So what we are doing, we are simply adding them with a positive sign. We all know this addition. We have been doing this addition since our early childhood from grade 1. Okay. Next, we will move to addition of integers but with negative signs. Look here. There are two integers. We are adding them and both are negative. Both are negative means we will add them together with a negative sign. So 12 plus 8, that is minus 12 plus minus 8. That means 12 plus 8 is what? 20. So we will put it minus 20. Now minus 25 plus minus 17. So both numbers are negative. We will add them together and put a negative sign. So minus 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2, 1 carry, and this 2 will become 3 and plus 1 is 4. Now again, minus 9 plus minus 14 will give us minus 23, because 9 plus 14 is 23 and a negative sign. Now minus 33 plus minus 27. This will give you a minus 3 plus 7 is 10. So 0, 1 carry, and now 4, 5, 6. So minus 60. Next question. Minus 6 plus minus 19. This will give you minus 25. So you add minus 6 and minus 19 and you get minus 25. Then minus 45 plus minus 15. So both numbers are negative, so a negative sign. Add them together. 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry. So 4 plus 1 is 5 and plus 1 is 6. So minus 60. Next number, minus 28 plus minus 32. Again we are adding two negative numbers. So with a minus sign, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0, 1 carry. This 2 will become 3 and 3 plus 3 will be 6. So again a minus 60. Now again it will be minus 11 plus minus 29. So it is minus 9 plus 1 is 10. So a 0, 1 carry, and 2 plus 2 is 4. So minus 40. Now look here, minus 50 plus minus 20. So it is minus 60. Now minus 7 plus minus 13. So it will be minus 13 plus 7 is 20. So it is also very easy. Simply if we have two positive numbers, we add them together. Two negative numbers, also we add them together with a negative sign. Now let's move for the final numbers. One positive number and one negative number. So here we have one positive number and one negative number. This is going to be little bit difficult. How to do that? Here we are not going to add them. We will actually subtract them. Though this is addition of integers, what we do when there is a positive number and there is a negative number, we actually subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. Let's see the examples. So it's 15 plus minus 7. So what we will do, we will subtract 7 from 15. 7 from 15 and we will get 8. Simply don't consider the sign. Don't consider the sign. Just subtract the smaller number from the greater number. So we will get 8. Now it is positive 8 or negative 8. The question lies here. See here, 15 is greater than 7 and 15 has got a positive sign. So the sign will be positive 8. I hope you understood. Let's do this one. Things will become much more clear when we complete this. Now, it is minus 20 plus 9. So we have to add them, but what we will do, we will subtract them. We will subtract the smaller number from the greater number. That is 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 is 11. Now, whether it is positive or negative. So here we see that 20 is greater than 9 and it is negative. So we will put a negative sign here. The next is 34 plus minus 16. We will subtract 16 from 34. So it is 8 in the ones place. And then this 3 will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 18. And now you see, since 34 is greater than 16 and 34 is positive, so it will be a plus 18. Now, same thing here. Minus 45 plus 25. So it is 45 minus 25. So 5 minus 5 is 0 and 4 minus 2 is 2. Since 45 is greater than 25 and it is negative, we will put a negative sign here. 18 plus minus 30. So we will subtract 18 from 30 and with a negative sign. So 0 minus 8 will give you 2 and this 3 will become 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's 12 now with a negative sign. Why negative? Because 30 is greater than 18. Minus 27 plus 13. So now same thing, same drill we are going to do together here. It is 7 minus 3 will give us 4 and then 2 minus 1 is 1 and with a negative sign as 27 is greater than 13. 50 plus minus 22. So 10 minus 2 is 8 and this 5 will become 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. With a positive sign, we can omit putting a positive sign. It's just 28 because the 50 is greater than 22 and it is positive in nature. Now, minus 36 plus 40. We will subtract 36 from 40. So this will give us 4 with a positive sign as 40 is greater than 36. 29 plus minus 35. That means we will subtract 29 from 35 and that will be 6. And it will be a negative 6 since 35 is greater than 29. Now, next number is minus 48 plus 19. So, it will be 48 minus 19. So, 18 minus 9 is 9. This 4 will become 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. And with a negative sign, since 48 is greater than 19. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If this is clear to you, let's move ahead and let's do few more examples. And this is of mixed problem. Mixed problem means it is positive plus positive, negative plus negative, and positive plus negative. And we will complete this chapter. So it is 5 plus 3, two positive numbers getting added together, simply a positive number. A negative number and a positive number. Next one, minus 4 plus 7, a negative number getting added with a positive number. We have to subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. It is 3. 6 plus minus 2, positive number, plus a negative number. Subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. 4. Minus 8 plus 5, minus 5, and that's two negative numbers getting added together, so it will be negative, and that is 13. 9 plus 0 is simply 9. Minus 3 plus 1, a negative number and a positive number. You subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. 10 plus minus 6, a positive number and a negative number added together. We will subtract them and put the sign of the greater number. So it is 10 minus 6, which will give us 4, and it will be a positive 4. Now minus 7 plus minus 4, two negative numbers getting added together, the answer will be negative. So 7 plus 4 is 12. Sorry, 11. Now 12 plus minus 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3 with a positive sign. Minus 15 plus 5. So it is minus 10. Next, minus 11 plus minus 6. It is minus 17. 14 plus minus 8. It is minus 6. Sorry, it's plus 6. So we subtracted 8 from 14 and put the sign of the greater number. Minus 20 plus 13. It is 20 minus 13 is 7 and put a sign of the greater number, that is 20. 18 plus minus 7. So it is 18 minus 7, that's 11, and put the sign of 18, that is positive. Minus 20 plus 10 will give you minus 15. 30 plus minus 12 is plus 18. Minus 16 plus minus 9 will give you minus 25. 22 plus minus 15 will give you plus 7. Minus 35 plus 20 will give you minus 15. 40 plus minus 18 will give you a positive number, and which is, this is 2, and then 3 minus 1 is 2, plus 22. So that's all for this class. Hope you like this. Do subscribe and like my channel. Be happy and have a wonderful day. Bye bye and see you in the next lecture.